Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox Jojo game. To begin, open Roblox Studio and create a new baseplate project. Familiarize yourself with the user interface, paying close attention to the Explorer and Properties windows. Understanding Luau, Roblox's scripting language, is crucial for implementing game logic. You'll use it to bring your stands and abilities to life, laying the foundation for an engaging experience for thousands of players. Now, let's implement the core mechanics, stands and their unique abilities. Design and model your stands using Roblox Studio's tools or import custom meshes. Script each stand's powers, such as special attacks, movement buffs, or defensive skills. Ensure proper hit detection and set appropriate cooldowns, perhaps between 3 and 10 seconds, for balanced gameplay. This is where your game truly takes shape, offering diverse combat options. Next, focus on the user interface and overall game flow. Create an intuitive UI for players to select stands, view their stats, and navigate menus. Implement a clear game progression, including character selection, combat arenas, and a system for earning rewards. Design engaging maps and environments, perhaps spanning several hundred studs, that perfectly complement the Jojo theme, making every battle feel epic and immersive for your community. Finally, it's time for testing, polishing, and publishing your creation. Thoroughly test your game with a group of at least 5 to 10 testers to identify bugs, glitches, and balancing issues. Refine animations, sound effects, and visual effects to enhance the player experience, aiming for smooth 60 frames per second. Once satisfied, publish your game on the Roblox platform and actively gather feedback for continuous updates and improvements, ensuring its long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.